always make sure you do wear protective eye goggles at all times. Mr. Peden. Literally just come in my pants. Can you believe his car does 130 in Mexico? Exterminate! 5 reasons why this is actually the fastest V50 on the planet. It's hot. Good afternoon, you absolute lovelies. Welcome back to another wonderful episode at the world famous Carson Performance. What are you saying, Scousey?
You alright?
We're about to do some. Well, Scouse has already started because he's such an efficient mechanic. We're going to be doing the brakes. We will show you what John did because
it's pretty bad.
Yeah, John is an absolute animal. It wasn't me. John is literally an animal. We've got Mr. Muzzy. Hi, Muzzy. How you doing, man? I've just finished doing a review with Mr. Paul. He's about to leave, so we're going to give you a little bit of 1JZ sounds because it'd be rude not to. Very famous man, Mr. Peden. We got Jay-Z noises, baby. Oh, definitely not a chaser. Massive laugh for that review. Absolute legend you are. Literally just come in my pants. But yeah, Paul's just currently heading back to Mexico. R34 you saw in the last episode, absolutely beautiful. Don't need to detail that too much. You guys know that Mr. Marty is an absolute don. Beautiful looking, it's green S14. Do like an S14A, nothing like a bit of kooky powers. Turbo MR2, bit of 3S GTE, SW20, lovely jubbly. This is the old disc that just come off. That's actually metal. There's no pad left.
That's half of the pad metal part left.
John's not only gone through the pad material, he's gone through the metal as well.
Yeah, you should keep going and just go for the pistons next.
Definitely, I shall say scored.
Grand Canyon.
Does look absolutely terrible. That is absolutely shocking. New disc is now on. We're just going to wire wheel the carrier just to make sure it's all nice and clean and fresh for when it goes back on. Carson Performance absolutely loves me, so we've actually got a set of Brembos, very posh. I did ask for the AP Racing. Scouts just said really it's a bit overkill for the Ovlov, so we went with the Brembo option instead. Brembo's posh.
Yeah, I just realised the problem.
Oh, don't tell me they're the wrong pads.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Chaps, we got the brakes from. For some reason they said there's 2 sets of rear pads. Luckily they've got front pads in stock, so they're bringing them over. Scouts and I are just going to put the carrier back on, whip the wheel back on, and then we will start tackling the rear brakes. John is a total animal and he's destroyed every part of braking on this. Just relax, man. Chill out in the comment section. Don't get eggy. Oh, look at that. That is a posh daily, man. I've heard some absolute Irish superstars hung like a donkey owns that. Absolute fucking legend. Why do we use grease, Scouse?
This is just a high temperature grease just to allow these to slide correctly, because
everyone wants to slide correctly.
Yeah.
You don't want to have a dry insertion.
Absolutely not.
No, it's got to be lubey. Look at that action, man. Is that what you do at night time? Look at that correct caliper tool. I actually gave £700 for this car in part exchange 3 years ago, and I've done about 40,000 miles in it. If I'm honest, I think this is the first thing I've done to it, apart from the tyres. I'm going to quickly show you guys the lovely effects we have going on the Ovlov. This is my daily, obviously, or John's daily, and there are a few marks around it. He's had it a few years now. It's got a little bit battered, so we got some beautiful drift stitching there, courtesy of Mr. Shito. Grill has also been cable tied in for absolute 100% drift points. There was a bird down here at one point, but yeah, I think 130 in Mexico soon turned that to smithereens. Poor little bugger. A few little marks down here, not horrendous though. To be fair though, for a daily it's not in bad condition. There's a few little scuff marks there. Missing wing mirror cover when John went a little bit too close to a garage wall and knocked it off. Rest of the side's not too bad. The best attribute about this car is it's got Uni Royal Rain Sport 5s. A few little marks down here, but what you'd expect with an Ovlov. It's been a family car at some point. You've got a lovely looking tow bar. A few little marks on the roof where John's put a few bits and bobs on there, but nothing disastrous. Pin dent there. Bits of side skirt missing here. I don't know what the hell that happened there, man. I think John's launched it at some point, some sort of WRC jump, and it smacked something and the half the freaking side skirts come off, but definitely got character. Another little mark there, but these are all speed marks. To be honest with you, every mark it's got gives it 5 horsepower more. That's why this is actually the quickest Volvo V50 in the world ever. Obviously, if you're doing something like this, always make sure you do wear protective eye goggles at all times.
I got these from Screwfix, they're the best ones I could find.
Cheeky little bit of copper grease. Scouse is just going to free off the caliper using that correct caliper tool. Look at these. Brand spanking new, man. The Volvo doesn't know what's hit it. Never had this kind of treatment before. Cool, look at this BMW compact. Wow. Do believe that's Eddie's compact. Absolute stud muffin. Confirmed. Oh, look at that bot. Look at that movement. Honestly, he's got a massive one, this guy. What a legend. Look at that. Nom, nom. Wow, look at that banner. What a banner that is. If I saw this on TV, legit, I'd want to buy one. monkeylondon.com, do a buy. Cool, look at all these amazing stickers. Oh, specifically that one. Look at that Dug It sticker. Absolute legend. Definitely not available on monkeylondon.com. Do a buy. I'm overwhelmed with the amount of legends today. And you as well, you sexual Irish drifter. Zek Nova. I'm more of a Yokohama man, but...
Looks like you got a little pond feature going on. Look at the colour of it.
Oh my god, that is definitely needs replacement. There was a lot of air in the brakes, I noticed.
Yeah, we'll give them a bleed. We need to get all 4 calipers on and we'll give them a bleed because that's shocking.
Can you believe this car does 130 in Mexico?
Off a cliff?
No, wait, no. I think it's been remapped because cyclists always swear at me when I accelerate past them because there's all this black smoke everywhere. I'm assuming it has had a remap at some point because it is very quick.
You microwave this, by the way.
Shut up, Scouse. What's wrong with it?
Because when you microwave, you get that little skin.
No, that's just custard, isn't it? Everyone likes the skin. Just going to show you guys in the interior as well. Look at this beauty. It's like, honestly, like a Bentley in here. I've actually got a tyre pressure pumper-upper on hand as well for when because I get flat tyres all the time, you see, so I always just have it plugged in just in case. My foreskin's peeling on the gear stick a little bit, but that's just from absolute manic John action. I think it could probably do with a bit of a wet shampoo at some point because it looks like John's shit himself, to be honest. But it's a very nice place to be. I do like the Volvo. Rear brakes going down. She's a bit seasy. Definitely had some heat in them. Brakes only have like 20% rear bias, so it just shows you how much John really does get on it in this car. This are now coming off.
Where it's not getting proper contact patch, this is why you get the corrosion. So this is only braking on this section here, not really here.
5 reasons why this is actually the fastest V50 on the planet. Reason 1, it's got Uniroyal Rain Sport 5. Reason 2,
Brembo brakes.
yeah, Brembo's, Porsche 911 obviously. Reason 3, it's got a Carson performance sticker. Number 4, John drives it. And number 5, mapped. There you go, 5 reasons why this is the fastest V50 on the planet, and 5 reasons why I can use that as a clickbait thumbnail. Sick. Scouse is just comparing the new disc with the old one. Look alright to you?
Yeah. That looks right.
Jesus Christ, Scouse.
It's like a Dug It from a fucking wire wheel, isn't it?
Lot of fucking brakes. Right, carrier bracket is back on. So your recommended procedure is take it easy for 150 miles and gentle braking. And
Yes.
don't heat the discs up like a numpty.
Yeah, because otherwise they warp and then they
Then you need new
little
ones.
wobbles and you need new
When I
ones.
come back for a warranty claim.
Yeah, and Scouse gets upset.
Also, thank you to the chap in the comment section who recommended me making a new sticker, which is I Love John Action, which I'm going to be making. That's going to be the next design, I Love John Action. Because let's be honest, everyone loves a bit of John Action.
John? Fucking hell!
Lozzie Bear! I'm going to chuck a little clip actually, a little picture of Lozzie's new truck. It's very cool, man. He's gone full yank tank. How's the new American truck?
It's a learning experience.
And you've had a haircut, man. You're looking trim, bro.
Yeah, I know.
You
Well,
look good.
I have to look good for my fans
Talk
now,
to
don't
me
I?
about the truck, because we're going to feature it on the channel soon.
Once I get it driving, then we'll go for Well, we'll go for lunch.
As you guys can see, rear brakes on this side are complete. Front brakes also complete as well. They are the new pads. Look at all that meat. Oh, we love a bit of meat. You quite like meat. You love beef jerky. So hopefully, if anyone else is watching Loz and they want to give him some jerky-related products.
If you've got Costco accounts, can you go and get me some steak strips and then send it to Carson Performance, attention Loz? Thanks.
Brakes on this side are all sorted as well now. Big up the old Brembos, looking absolutely fantastic. Scousey and I are now just going to bleed up the brakes, flush the fluid through, put brand new. What are we running? DOT 5.1 race fluid, of course. Was it really? Oh, anything is better than this pond fluid.
I was expecting to see newts and like
literally
weed
has algae
and...
in it, yeah man.
Yeah.
Once we've flushed the fluid, then we are pretty much done. John's gonna bed the brakes in very sensibly, standard. And happy days, we've got brand new brakes. Last but not least, right, time for a bit of brake bleeding goodness. We got Mr. Lou on the pedal, very nom. The Scousey's on the bleeding machine. Look at that, does look sick to be fair.
So the bleed nipple was a bit seized, so rather than going full send and just trying to undo it, you usually snap it. So you kind of got to like go forward and back, and just keep easing it in and kind of opening up a little bit more each time. So if you do try and keep opening, it will snap, and there's new caliper time, which really fucked you over.
That is a turbo to make the crowd are going to go wild for that shit. We've actually had more comments about you doing turbo noise than we have questions about where's the Civic, and that's saying something, man.
I should give up being a mechanic and go on Britain's Got Talent,
Yeah,
win it. I'm sure the Queen would love it.
Definitely a face for radio. We're just going to do a quick replica of what Lewis is like driving the Visara Sim. See it do it? Nice and chilled. Oh. Right, just do a replica of Monky driving the Sim. I'm not that bad, am I? I'm pretty loud, aren't I?
Yeah,
very,
you're fucking...
very erratic.
I can see why the neighbours complained.
Exterminate!
That side is all complete. Last wheel is on. Excellent job there, past performance. Very pleased with my work today. If you guys want to give Scouse a little follow and get any work done, feel free to give him a shout. What the fuck are we doing, man? Hey, why are you starting laughing at me, man? Everyone's laughing at
Oh
the
my
flag.
god, what the fuck?
This is officially the Nürburgring spec. Once you go to metal, you've got about 2 laps left before you die.
Yeah, literally.
Well done.
That is the end of today's video. Excuse the noise, we just got a tractor trying to start in the background, a little bit noisy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, I don't really care. And yeah, we will see you guys soon. Scousey.